How's it going, everyone? In today's video, I'll show you on how you can fix stringing in Anycubic slicer. So to go ahead and fix this, the first thing that I suggest is to optimize our retraction. So we have to enable and tune the retraction setting because retraction pulls the filament backwards when moving between gaps, stopping pressure building up from oozing. So in here, you just have to click or select one of your filaments to view the filament setting. You then want to click on setting overrides and make sure that the retraction length is enabled. Now from here, you want to increase this value in increments of 0.2 millimeters to 0.5 millimeters. So you could set this between 0.5 millimeters or 1.5, or generally it's going to be 0.8. But in my case, to follow my hunch right here, I'm just going to start with 0.5. Now you want to go ahead and navigate through the official setting for your specific printer. For example, for Cobra 2 and 3 series, it's going to be between 0.5 to 1.5. For older Viper and Mega series, you want to set it between 4.0 and 7.0. And same thing for the retraction speed, which is going to be right here. You just want to make sure to go ahead and increase the speed so the plastic snaps back quickly. You want to set this between 40 millimeters per second to 60 millimeters per second. So let's go ahead and set it that way, which is going to be this one. And basically from there, you do not want to go too high or the gears will grind the filament. So from here, we could just go ahead and exit out of the setting and we should be good to go. The other thing that we could do is to lower down the nozzle temperature. If your filament is too hot, it becomes runny like liquid and drips effortlessly out of your nozzle. So once again, it's going to be inside the filament setting. And here, scroll down and you have the nozzle temperature or the print temperature right here. So you want to lower down your nozzle temperatures by 5 Celsius to 10 Celsius. Now, the next thing that you want to do is to boost your travel speed. So it's going to be this one. You want to increase your travel speed to 150 millimeters per second or higher, depending on your Anycubic model's physical limits. This forces the print head to snap over empty spaces before it has time to drip. And from there, you have successfully fixed the problem. If this video has been helpful, leave a like, subscribe, and follow us for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.